today's video, we'll be using bookmarks and some other page options. In order to create a bookmark, you must first enable them. In the View pane, select Bookmark to enable bookmarks. The way that these bookmarks work is that it'll save the state of the dashboard as you create the bookmark. So for example, if we click on France and Germany, and then we create our bookmark, let's call this European countries, then every time that we select this bookmark, it will automatically select France and Germany for us. Bookmarks are especially helpful when you have a specific set of settings that you want to save. Now, when it comes to actually designing the page itself, there's a few options that we can play with. Grid lines will add these dotted lines that can help you position your visuals. Snap to Grid will have your visuals snap onto these grid lines so that they can be symmetrical. Lock objects will lock the placement of your visuals. This can be helpful if you accidentally move your visuals around. Speaking of page design, you can actually see what this would look like on the mobile devices. So if we look on the mobile layout, then we can see what the Power BI dashboard would look like if somebody were to open it in the Power BI app. Now, I'm just going to have Power BI auto-create the layout. And now as you scroll down, you can see what a mobile user would see if they were to open up the report in the mobile application. And you can modify this to your liking if you want it to be presented in a different way, but if you want to learn more about this, let me know and I might make a video about it in the future.